Hello, welcome to our virtual class. Let's do a review. First, read these sentences. There are some apples. There is some bread. In both sentences, we are using the same word, the word some. And both are affirmative sentences. Did you notice? So, we use some in affirmative sentences with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Recuerda que usamos some para oraciones afirmativas con sustantivos contables en plural y sustantivos incontables. Good. Now read these questions. Would you like some strawberries? Do you want some sugar? Here we have some again. Some, and both are questions. So, we use some in questions offering something with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Recuerda que usamos some en preguntas ofreciendo algo o cuando tenemos la expectativa de que la respuesta sea sí. Usamos some con sustantivos contables en plural y con sustantivos incontables. Continue. Now, read the sentences. There aren't any olives. There isn't any water. Please pay attention. Both sentences are in negative, and in both sentences we are using the word any. So, we use any in negative sentences. Usamos any en oraciones negativas. Go on. Please read this question. Do you have any tomatoes at home? Is there any milk in the fridge? In these questions, we are using any. And both are simple questions. So, we use any for natural questions with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Entonces, usamos any para preguntas simples, con sustantivos contables en plural y con sustantivos incontables. Good. Now we're going to review when we use the questions how much and how many. So we use how much with uncountable nouns. Recuerda que usamos how much con sustantivos incontables. For example, how much money do you have? Money is an uncountable noun. Next, we use how many with plural countable nouns. Recuerda que usamos how many con sustantivos contables en plural. For example, how many eggs do you need? Egg is a countable noun, and here we are using in plural eggs. Good. Now, it's time to work with our book. Please open your books on page number 10. We're going to start. What toppings can you have on a pizza? Make a list and compare it with the menu. What is the menu? Here we have the menu. Good, but on the menu we have these toppings. For example, here we have the toppings. For example, tomatoes, cheese, olives, onions, pineapple, mushrooms, spinach, peppers, garlic, ham. What topping do you prefer? For example, I really like ham. Now, tell me, what other toppings can we have on a pizza? Think about it and tell me later. We'll continue with the next activity, reading. Look at the menu and complete the conversation with the names of the pizzas. With the name of the pizzas. Please, listen carefully.
Unit 1, Lesson 2, Exercise 2.
Let's choose something to eat. I'm starving.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Could I have a Mediterranean pizza?
What's that?
It's a pizza with cheese, tomatoes, olives, and garlic.
Oh, could I have that too? But I don't want any olives.
Do you have any pizzas with mushrooms?
There's a Four Seasons pizza with cheese, tomatoes, mushrooms, ham.
No, I don't want any meat. I'm a vegetarian.
Then why don't you have a country pizza? It has mushrooms and there isn't any meat in it.
Okay, I'll have that. And I'd like some garlic bread.
And what would you like to drink?
A cola, please.
How many colas?
2.
And can I have some water, please? Sure. Coming right up. Emma, how much money do you have?
About $40. Why?
Because I don't have any. Could I borrow some?
Jay, you're impossible.
Good. Please, students, in your house, listen again. Now we are going to check and we are going to complete with the name of the pieces.
Unit 1, Lesson 2, Exercise 2.
Let's choose something to eat. I'm starving.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Could I have a Mediterranean pizza?
What?
Good. What is number 1? It's a Mediterranean pizza. Good. Continue.
What's that?
It's a pizza with cheese, tomatoes, olives, and garlic.
Oh, could I have that too? But I don't want any olives.
Do you have any pizzas with mushrooms?
There's a Four Seasons pizza with cheese.
Good. What is number 2? There is a Four Seasons pizza. Very good. Continue.
Cheese, tomatoes, mushrooms, ham.
No, I don't want any meat. I'm a vegetarian.
Then why don't you have a country pizza? It has mushrooms and there.
Good. And what is number 3? Why don't you have a country pizza? Excellent. Now, please, students, don't forget, in your house, listen again to check the answers. Now, after reading, complete the sentences. We are read again this conversation and then we complete the blanks. So, number 1. Emma says, because it's very hungry. I'm starving. Very good. So, number 1, Emma says, I'm starving because she is very hungry. Very good. Number 2. Jay doesn't want any on his pizza. Okay, we're going to check. Jake, but I don't want any olives. Very good. So number 2, Jay doesn't want any olives on his pizza. Very good. Number 3, Silvana wants on her pizza. Silvana, do you have any pizza with mushrooms? So, Silvana wants mushrooms on her pizza. Very good. Number 4, Silvana doesn't want any meat because she's a Silvana, no, I don't want any meat. I'm a vegetarian. Very good. So, Silvana doesn't want any meat because she's a vegetarian. Excellent. 5. Silvana also orders some, look here, Silvana, I'd like some garlic bread. Excellent. Silvana also orders some garlic bread. Good. 6. How many colas do they order? Please look here. How many colas? 2. Very good. How many colas do they order? 2. Number 7. How much money does Emma have? Please read in that part. Jake asked, Emma, how many money do you have? About $40. So, how much money does Emma have? $40. And finally, Jake wants to borrow some. Of course, could I borrow some? Money. Very good. Jake wants to borrow some money. Excellent. Here you have the correct answers. Please do this activity in your notebook. So, Emma says, I'm starving because she's very hungry. Jay doesn't want any olives on his pizza. Silvana wants mushrooms on her pizza. Silvana doesn't want any meat because she is a vegetarian. And Silvana also orders some garlic bread. How many colas do they order? 2. And how much money does Emma have? 40. Excellent. Jake wants to borrow some money. Very good. Please copy this activity in your notebook. Now, as a homework, complete the workbook, page 76. Don't forget to take a picture of your homework and send it to me. Okay, students, that's all for today. Our class is over. Goodbye.